Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a fascinating development in the world of AI. Anthropic, a leading AI model creator, is taking sort of a bold step by asking job applicants not to use AI during the application process. So if you go to their job page, you will see there are a lot of job openings there, and most of them are quite interesting. And to be honest, there are lot of them in various locations. So if you're looking for an AI job, you might be tempted to apply for that. But before you do that, also have a look at this quote from this person from Anthropic, which is quite interesting. So it says, and I quote, while we encourage people to use AI systems during their role to help them work faster and more effectively, please do not use AI assistants during the application process. We want to understand your personal interest in Anthropic without mediation through an AI system, and we also want to evaluate your non AI assistant communication skills. Please indicate yes if you have read and agree. So, now you have heard that right, and AI company is saying no to AI in job applications. Let's dive into a bit more detail. So Anthropic, if you don't know who Anthropic is, I already have covered heaps of models, tools, and lot of stuff from Anthropic. So if you go to my channel, and you should be able to find heaps of videos on Anthropic. I have been covering them since day one. So Anthropic is one of the leading model providers. One of their most famous model is Anthropic's Claude Sonnet, which is by far one of the most performant model when it comes to coding. It's a paid model. It's not an open source model. It's not free model. You would need to pay to get the API key. They are one of the expensive ones too, by the way. Recently they have slashed the prices, but still I would say in real world, as far as I have tested them out, they are expensive than OpenAI, but that gap is closing very rapidly, which is quite good. They also have released this chatbot, Anthropic chatbot, which is quite interesting, and you can search all of it on my channel. I have covered everything in detail. Now, now you know what Anthropic is. So this policy from Anthropic also explicitly asks applicant not to use AI assistants when filling out the why do you want to work here section especially and submitting cover letters. Anthropic wants to assess applicants' genuine interest in the company and evaluate their non-AI assisted communication skills. Now, I'm very keen to know how Anthropic is going to tell if someone has used their own model or any other model or open source model in order to answer that. Do they have any tool which could detect that? Yes, we know that there are a lot of online tools, but I'm very keen to know if Anthropic has a way of telling us for sure. Now, this whole thing is not new, by the way. I have seen a lot of companies asking the employees who want promotion or their HR reviews and that sort of stuff to not to use AI. I am also sort of, I have received some of the, I would say, advisory and some of the other stuff to various companies, and I get renewed every year. I have to fill out some of the surveys and form for that. Whenever I'm doing that, I get this instruction quite clearly that they are not expecting me to use AI. And I'll be honest, sometimes I use AI just to improve the response, just to fix my grammatical errors, not to write the whole thing. So this is quite interesting because if you apply for Anthropic's job, the Anthropic uh, sometimes get back to you with some of the instructions that they could detect it. So, but I'm also really keen to know how they are doing it because I'm not sure if that is a surefire science at the moment. So I believe that this Anthropic decision and they're also during the recruitment process is their own right, and I believe that makes sense too. That they want to see who the individual is. Everyone wants to, hire an individual, not an AI chatbot. So, but I still have my skepticism about how they are going to detect it. Another angle, which, if you think about it, it also shows some of the skepticism Anthropic has about AI. Maybe Anthropic doesn't trust the value and capability of AI. Maybe if someone is just lifting their response with the help of AI, I think that should be allowed, in my humble opinion. So I believe that this move by Anthropic raises interesting questions about the role of AI in the hiring process. On one hand, it's refreshing to see a company prioritizing human communication skills and genuine interest in the company, whereas on the other hand, it's ironic that an AI company is essentially saying that AI isn't good enough for their own hiring process. As AI becomes increasingly prevalent in our lives, and there is no denying to it, it's essential and pivotal to consider the implications of relying too heavily on the technology. Anthropic's decision serves as a reminder that human skills and qualities are still invaluable in the workplace, and that actually makes me feel better for some reason. So, let me know what do you think about it. Anthropic's decision to ban AI in job application is a thought-provoking move that challenges our assumptions about the role of technology in the hiring process. As we continue to navigate the complexities of AI and its impact on our lives, it's crucial to prioritize human skills and qualities. Also, towards the end, I would like to introduce our sponsors who are Agent Bot. Agent Bot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's descriptions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any thoughts, and I'm sure you will have, please share in the comments. I'll be very keen to respond to that, because I think this is one area which really needs some more discussion. And if you have applied to any job at Anthropic or any other company, and if you have encountered the same, please share your experience. Personal experiences are the best. Also, I'm also keen to know that um, if you have applied somewhere and then they have rejected your application just because they thought you have used an AI, and if you haven't, very keen to know that. You don't have to mention company's name or any personal information. I'm just after some of the anecdotes and personal stories here. That's it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.